Weeds come from all over, but sometimes they come from a little closer to home. Depending on your neighbor's landscape and management strategy, you may be dealing with annuals that are seeding out, perennials that are creeping under fence lines or across lot lines, or suckers from shrubs. These suckers are from a shrub, the plum, that can go very far from the main plant. The best way to deal with these is to just mow them off in the lawn. If they're in a landscape bed, you can cut them or dig them off. Or if you see them growing off of the base of a tree or a shrub, just cut them. There are products you can apply to suckers that can keep them from growing back as quickly, but you never want to spray these with herbicides because you can end up killing these and the bigger plant, which can become a big problem either for your neighbor's plant or for safety of persons or property. Landscape borders and edgers are another way to keep perennial weeds from growing under fences or into your landscape beds. Make sure that they're buried about 3 to 6 inches underground, but also keep in mind that if they're not tall enough, some weeds, like this creeping Charlie, can get over the tops of them, and so you'll have to pull those or chemically remove them depending on where they are.